Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial of the Next.js, and in this tutorial we will see how to create a private folder. So as of now we have seen how to create the routes, and also we can create the nested routes. So if suppose this is the dashboard, and inside of the dashboard I have to create some other folder. Okay, if suppose I want to create something called parts. Okay, I'll say parts, and I have created the folder called the parts. Then again inside of this I will create page.js, and I'll say parts, and I will say this is parts page. Okay, so now if suppose I go to the dashboard, I go to the dashboard, and then it is opening this dashboard page. Now if suppose I go to the parts, it will basically open this page, okay, which is basically inside of the dashboard. Inside of the dashboard I'm having parts folder. Inside of the parts folder I'm having the page which is having this container which says this is the parts page. Okay, so now this is called the nesting of the routes. So now whatever folders what we create inside of the app, that is basically considered the route. But what if I don't want some folder to be taken as a route? How to hide them? So this is the concept of the private folder. So when it comes to the private folder, so now suppose inside of this app I will create private. Okay, I'm creating one folder called private, and I will create one page. Inside of this I'll say page.js, expansion components, remove this. Okay, and I will say this is the private folder private folder page. Okay, so now if I go here, and if I hit this route, it will open that open the folder inside of this it will open the page inside of this folder. Okay, but I don't want this folder to be taken as a route. I don't want it to be part of the route. I want it to be private. If you want to do something like that, then what you do, you have to come over here and put the underscore. Okay, so when you put the underscore in front of the folder name, that is considered the private, and now the content of this is not accessible. Now as can be seen, it is throwing the error that this page could not be found. So this is how you can create a private folder. You can give any name. It might not have to be private. It could be anything. Okay, but whichever folder you want to keep private, just put underscore in front of it so that it is not becoming part of the route and it is not becoming accessible. So this is how you can create a private folder. And in the next tutorial we will see how to design this 404 page. So thanks for watching.